Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video. This video I am going to discuss this prime number which recently appears in a Russian math Olympiad, and most of the students got the wrong answer because they divide it with 2, 3, 5, 7. Since it is not visible by these prime numbers, so they assume that it is a prime number. So let's see the correct solution. Basically 2491 can be written as it is a difference of two numbers, that is 2500 minus 9, which these two numbers are perfect square. 2500 is a square of 50 and 9 is a square of 3. So you can write it 50 square minus 3. Now apply this formula, that is a square minus b square, and you can write it a minus b and a plus b. So 50 is a, 3 is b. Plug these values in the formula, we basically get 50 minus 3, and in next expression we have 50 plus 3. So 50 minus 3 is 47 and 50 plus 3 is 53. So 2491 is not a prime number since it is divisible by 47 and 53. Thanks for watching.